the shortest and longest lifespan of animals on Earth. We only live a fraction of the time that our planet exists. Even humans themselves are very young, but lifespan is a true relative term. Some creatures on our planet have a lifetime that is much shorter than that of us humans. Some lifespan far exceed all of us, while some are close to immortality. Check it out for yourself. Please subscribe first by clicking the button below. Thank you very much. Mayfly, 24 hours or less, the shortest lifespan on Earth. Drone ant, 3 days, the shortest living among ants. Male mosquito, 1 week, does not drink blood. Housefly, 15 to 25 days, can lay up to 1,000 eggs in its lifetime. Female mosquito, 1 month, does not drink blood. Dragonfly, 4 months. The largest extinct dragonfly have a wingspan of 30 inches. Bedbug, 6 months, have 7 stages of life. Moon jellyfish, 18 months, the most popular jellyfish in the world. House mouse, 1 year, can squeeze into 1/4 inch of hole. Panther chameleon, 1 year, the shortest lived among reptiles. Mole, 3 years. Mole have kitchen where they store food. Pigeon, 4 years. Homing pigeon are easy to train for mail delivery. Guinea pig, 4 years. They have beast bug and recognize their owner. Honeybee, 5 years. Have mind gives them a sort of telepathy. Dumbo octopus, 5 years. Their Dumbo ears are fins at the top. Red panda, 7 years. Use their tails to cover from cold. Opossum, 8 years. Not to be confused with possum. Chicken, 9 years. The most popular poultry in the world. Kangaroo, 10 years. Can use their tail as layer to box with their hind legs. Hummingbird, 12 years. Their hearts make 1,200 beats per minute. Cheetah, 12 years. The fastest land animal alive. Brushtail possum, 13 years. Related to kangaroos. Dog, 13 years. The great dane can reach over 7 feet standing on its hind legs. Tiger, 15 years. The largest of the cat species. Domestic cat, 16 years. Maine Coons reach over 3 feet in body length. Platypus, 17 years. The only venomous mammals in the world. Cow, 20 years. Necker the steer is the tallest hoven, over with 6.4 in height. Lion, 20 years. Females usually do all the hunting for the pride, while male rest. Polar bear, 20 to 30 years. Polar bear are apex predator. They have no natural enemies. Queen ant, 20 to 30 years. Mother to thousands of ants. Giraffe, 25 years. The tallest living creature in the world. Grizzly Bear, 30 years. Can run at 30 mph and climb trees. Bald eagle, 32 years. One of the most famous symbol of USA. Giant panda, 35 years. They have a side to thumb they use to hold bamboo. Horse, 40 years. The Siwalski horse is the only truly wild horse. Camel, 40 years. There are two types, dromedary, 1 ham, and Bractrian, 2 hams. Common goldfish, 40 years. The oldest goldfish lived for 43 years. Wow. Orangutan, 45 years. Their arm span is bigger than their height. White rhinoceros, 50 years. It's not actually white but dark gray. Andean condor, 50 years. The largest bird in the world. Laysan albatross, 55 years. Incredibly clumsy on land. Tuatara, 60 years. They have third eye on top of their heads. Longfin eel, 60 years. No one knows where they give birth to their young. Macaw, 65 years. Some macaw live more than 100 years. Wow. Humans, 68 to 73 years. The most numerous mammals on earth. Olm, 69 years. Called human fish for its fleecy skin. African bus elephant, 70 years. Mother bear their cubs for 22 months. Great white shark, 70 years. They can stop swimming to stay alive. Japanese koi fish, 70 years. Can potentially live for hundreds of years. Wow. Orca, 75 years. They can even hunt sharks. Gray whale, 77 years. Small creatures cover its skin, making it look pots. Kakapo, 80 years. The word only flightless parrot. European eel, 88 years. In its first stage of life, it's virtually transparent. Blue whale, 90 years. The biggest animal that ever lived. Nile crocodile, 95 years. May have lived alongside dinosaurs. Wow. Pacific Ocean purse, 98 years. The ways they could be centenarians. American lobster, 100 years. There's such a thing as a rainbow lobster. Japanese spider crab, 100 years. Wow. Their long legs are exceptionally brittle. White sturgeon, 104 years. An important food fish. Freshwater pearl mussel, 110 years. Pearl are in fact pieces of debris covered in mucus. Aldabra giant tortoise, 120 years. The largest tortoise on the planet. Mediterranean spur-thighed tortoise, 125 years. A popular pet reptile. Rough-eye rockfish, 140 years. Some fish can live to be more than 200 years old. Geoduck, 150 years. Both the largest and longest living mollusks on Earth. Lake sturgeon, 152 years. Member of the family of 27 species. Galapagos tortoise, 170 years. The oldest living tortoise. Orange Ruffy, 185 years. Some of the few deep water fish that go to food. Bowhead whale, 200 years. They can live entirely out of the water. Red Sea urchin, 210 years. It has feet protruding from its belly. Quahog clam, 225 years. The oldest clam, 507 years old, was conceived during Chinese Ming Dynasty. Giant tube worm, 250 years. Consists of numerous tiny creatures that are constantly recycled. Greenland shark, 270 years. Wow! The longest living vertebrate. Giant tube spong, over 2,000 years. Wow na wow! Despite the lack of any organs, they can feed and reproduce. Coral reef, 4,000 years. Wow na wow! The Great Barrier Reef is visible from space. Turritopsis durel, forever. Wow na gyud. Biologically immortal, can return to being a polyp and grow up indefinitely. They appear to live forever. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy the video. Please click the subscribe button below. See you in my next video. Bye bye.